Good morning, guys. I am going to Asian market today to buy bunch of ginger. I'm gonna make like a concentrate ginger syrup, and I'm going to make natural antibiotic. Alright, it is Thursday, 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I am at Asian market. It is raining shine in Arizona. It's 76 degrees. It's beautiful down here, you guys. Alright, I am at Mekong market. I'm going to buy some ginger and lots of stuff. See you inside. Okay, this is the Mekong. I'm gonna go and get my buggy. And they have a lot of Wallis tambu. It's only $4.69. So big. This is what the Asian Mekong market looks like at the front. Okay, we are now inside. There's a lot of people here today.
Ryan!
And dragon fruits is $2.98 a pound. Papayas or papaya, it says papaya Hawaii, $3.59 a pound. Oh, look at this Mexican papaya, so big, $1.29. All right, this is so heavy. Let's weigh this. This is Mexican papaya, almost 4 pounds. So this is like $5. You've got plenty of banana here. That is a Thai banana, 69 cents. Saba banana, product of Mexico, 79 cents. This Manzano banana. Lots of fresh vegetables. I love broccoli. Broccoli only 79 cents. Definitely I'm gonna get that. I'm gonna get 2 bags. This is very cheap. Castelia squash. I think we call this kalbasa or calabasa. Product of Canada, 99 cents. And that is Castelia squash, 79 cents. Garlic. It's $1.29 each bag. I will probably get 2. I'm gonna make me some natural antibiotic out of this. Jumbo red yam, it's 79 cents. OMG, they have some balanghoy, I think. They call it yumpy yum. And what is this? Call it malangalila. Alright, here is the ginger. I'm gonna get a lot of it. It's 99 cents a pound. It's $4 in Walmart, so I'm gonna get probably 3 to 5 pounds. Oh, don't I have enough? Looks like I've got 10 pounds in my baggie already. Alright, what we have here? Bamboo shoot. $2.99. Banana blossom, $1.29. Puso. Kaon mo puso, guys. Taro, $1.99 a pound. Taro root, it's already peeled. And look at this aloe vera, $1.49 a pound. Woo! And look what we have here, giant taro. Holy moly. Ooh, this must be 10 pounds. So big. Big taro root. Look at this. Probably 10 pounds. Yucama, 79 cents. We call this singkamas. We have yuca. I think this is the balanghoy one. Balanghoy, 99 cents. What is nami? I don't know what is nami. Nami. Potato, 59 cents a pound. Fresh coconut, $1.99. And the brown coconut is $1.79. Alright, Simkua, I don't know what it is. We have ubu, 99 cents. Simkua, $1.49. There's a lot of vegetables here. Green papaya, 79 cents a pound. Small taro here, it is 99 cents a pound. Mani, peanuts, $1.79 a pound. American eggplant, so big, $1.29. That is American eggplant. And Philippine eggplant, which is $1.29. Different kinds of eggplant. Yes. Okay. Wow, yeah.
他叫啥名他不知道哈，我就是我要赶快赶过来问你。
他们就很大。
Naigamo is Chinese. Is that Chinese name?
薄薄的切片，爆炒出来。
How do you cook this boiled?
You can boil it.
Oh. I've never seen this before.
Are you kidding?
Yeah.
也是要。
So I got interrupted with the lady, and we are back to Philippine eggplant. Eggplant! Chinese eggplant, Philippine eggplant. Chinese eggplant here, 99 cents. Whoa. They're so shiny. What is this? Some kind of organic king mushroom, $1.99. It's so pretty big. Varieties of bell peppers. You have green, red, yellow, and orange. They're very pretty cheap. If you look at this, you have two of this, 79 cents for two. And this would probably $1.69 one in Walmart. Yellow onions, which is, I believe this is the sweet onions, and it's only 99 cents for 3 pounds. Imagine that, 3 pounds. This probably would cost you $1 each in Walmart, and I would probably have to get only 2 of this, and maybe it's only like 50 cents each. Red onions, 79 cents. Just gonna get one. Sutanghon here, or vermicelli, is $1.79 a bag, which is pretty good. Pancit Canton, $2.79. Green beans is $1.29 a pound. And we have white long beans, $2.99. Baby banana, $1.49. So that was fun. I gotta get going. I do not want to be late to work, so I'm gonna go ahead and pay all this. Thank you for shopping with me, guys. Okay, I'm done shopping from Mekong. I can't believe it got so hot. I gotta get going. Thank you for shopping with me at Asian Mekong Market.